Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Augusta, and please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hairstyle using the expression twisted up afro twist. This hair, like this expression hair, is so good guys. If you have the type 4 hair, the texture of this hair is so close to the type 4 hair texture, okay, and you can do a lot of hairstyles with this hair. I actually have two other videos, like two other hairstyles I already did on my channel using this hair, and I'm going to link them in the description box, okay. So this is the 16 inches and I got it in color 1B, okay. Another thing I love about this hair is that it's already like pre-separated, okay. You guys can see me showing it here, so you don't have to mess with it. You just have to maybe pick one out and use it, pick the second one and use it. So it's already pre-separated and it makes your job so much easier. So I already did my cornrows before starting this video, and that's because I wanted to save time and like I don't want this video to be too long, okay. So I ended up with about 10 cornrows at the front and 7 at the back, and that's because I kind of joined some of the cornrows, okay, in the middle of the hair. So that is how I ended up with lesser number at the back. And guys, I'm just using the crochet pin to pass the hair, like the piece of hair left, I'm using the crochet pin to pass it through the cornrow. I know some people sew it with a needle and thread, but I found out that this method is kind of easier, okay. So I just use the crochet pin to pass the piece of hair left out through the cornrow, okay. So now guys, I start attaching the hair on the cornrow using the crochet pin, and I didn't separate the hair at all, okay. I just take a piece of hair and I use the crochet pin and pass it through the cornrow, okay, without separating the hair at all. And this is what gave my hair like that bouncy look. I'm going to add a video so you guys can see what I'm saying. Like you guys can see how the tip of each hair looks a bit twisted, and like the way it is from the pack. This is the reason why it's like that, because I didn't separate the hair at all. So please do not separate the hair, okay. Just take a piece of hair from the pack and use the crochet pin and attach it just the way it is. If you want yours to look exactly like mine, like if you want the tip of the hair to look the same way it is like in the pack. And guys, please remember to space out the hair at the back, okay. This is one of the tip, like the biggest tip you need to know while making crochet hairstyles like this. You need to space it out very well at the back. You can always go back in and fill out the back, okay, when you're done, but at the beginning please do space it out at the back. So guys, I'm done with the back now, and I'm getting closer to the front part, and I'm still doing things same way, okay. I'm still using one piece of hair to do each crochet, okay. I'm not separating it yet or anything, okay. But when I got to the front of the hair, like very close to the front part, I did things completely differently, okay. So you guys are going to see it here. I'm going to show everything here, so keep on watching, okay. So now guys, I'm at the front of the hair, and what I did at the front was to separate the hair into two, okay. And I went ahead to twist the tip of the hair, as you guys can see. And the reason why I twisted the tip is to get it to look a bit natural, like a bit closer to the way it was originally before separating it, okay. And I'm going to show you guys the difference between the one I twisted and the one that I didn't. You guys are going to see a big difference, okay. So when you separate your hair, before you crochet it in, please do twist the tip, okay. This is going to make it look like the other hair, okay. So yeah, I went ahead to crochet it in. Another reason why I separated the hair at the front is because I don't want the front to look too bulky, okay. I want it to look more natural, okay. So I don't want the knot to look too bulky. If you use the full hair to you know, make the front. The knots are going to look too bulky and it's not going to look natural. So this is why I separated the hair. And as you guys can see, while making the knots, I used only one side of the hair, okay, to make the knots. This is to make the hair look more natural, like I said before, and to also hide the knots. Okay, so I'm going to slow down a bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So when I pass the crochet pin through the hair and, you know, take off the crochet pin, I only use one side of the hair to make the knots, as you guys can see here. So this is what I did all through the front of the hair. This is going to help the hair look more natural and also going to hide the knots. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm done, okay? So guys, this is what the hair looks like at the end, okay? It's so beautiful, and I actually love how I left the tip, okay, to still have that, you know, little twist or little coils at the tip. It kind of made it look so beautiful, okay? I feel like it gave it some spice, okay? Like it added to the beauty of the hair, and I love it that way, okay? So there are so many things you can actually do with this hair. You can style it in so many different ways, and that's another reason why I love this expression hair. Is so versatile, okay? You can do a lot with it. And just like I said in the beginning, I have two other videos, like hair videos that I did with this hair, and they are both twists, okay? I think one is springy twist and one is like a jumbo kinky twist, okay? So I'm going to leave a link to these two videos in the description box so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this is the hair at the end, and you can actually style it anyhow you want. You can even use scarves, okay, to style it, okay? So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, thank you so much for the support. I plan to bring you guys more interesting video, and please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, okay? Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, okay? Yeah, thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye. I'm finally